Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Okay, so tell me what's going on with your shoulder.
I have pain, uncomfortable,
Mm-hmm.
moving.
So how much pain at worst from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
4, 5.
4 or 5. And what kind of movement is difficult for you to do?
I raise my arm up.
When you raise it up,
Then
reach back.
reach back.
How long has this been going on?
Few months.
Few months? Like how many?
5, 6 months.
5, 6 months. Have you had any treatment for that?
No.
You said you had MRI, so what's going on in the MRI? What they found?
They show I have little tear in my muscles.
Your rotator cuff tear? Okay. So can I see your range of motion? Just lift your arm up like this. Okay, that's very tight. Okay. All right. Let's do both arms at the same time. Oh yeah, we can see the difference here between left and right. Okay. So relax. Both arms the same time. You go this way, thumb up, and bring it up, 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 up. Yeah, we definitely can see the speed. It's very tight, very... Okay, so let's do this, both arms. Okay, don't aggravate it, okay? Okay, then lower it down. Bring it back like this. You can lower the other arm down. Bring both back. Okay.
Left one, it's very easy.
So let's stand up, and I want you to turn around and just wanna see a range of motion for the back. So that's the back. Yeah, that's very okay. All right. So we'll have you get a really big now. Do you feel that? Mm-hmm. And here there's a redness where the scar tissue. So
You know, when I had my back problem for a long time, I don't make moves.
mm-hmm. Did anyone work on the scar tissue in the back?
Nope.
Really? Wow. So we get scar tissue from accident, trauma, poor posture, poor body mechanic, surgeries. Why scar tissue could be a problem? Because our muscle should act like a rubber band. When it contracts and relaxes, it does this. When we have a scar tissue, it's like you have a knot in a rubber band. So when your muscle contracts, it does not stretch. So when you try to lift your arm up,
It's very hard.
yeah, so it puts a push on your joint and it creates range of motion. So let me see your range of motion now. Let me get this. Okay. So let's do the same motions. Both arms up, straight up. How's that?
Much better now.
Yeah, look at this. Wow, that's nice. It's almost the same. Beautiful. Okay. So thumb up this way. Both of them. Thumb up. Like turn it upward. Here you go, and bring it up.
Oh my God.
Oh, how is that?
It's completely, it's true, it's completely different.
Yeah, beautiful. Can you do this? Wow, that's nice. That's beautiful.
Oh my God.
Let's turn around. Yeah, and stand up and turn around. We'll see that in the camera because we saw that before. How is that? It's look like twins now. The same. All right, awesome. So let me clean this up. I want you to take this over, please. Let me know if you feel any pain, okay? Is that painful? It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay. All right. So let's. I want you to do it again. Bring both arms back. How's that feel?
It feels great.
Mm-hmm. And the side, thumb up like this, and back up. It's beautiful. Okay. So what do you think about the treatment? You can relax.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about ASTR treatment, the treatment you just received now?
I love it.
Yeah. Can you tell a difference?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thing I had is like a pressure, like gas on my stomach, like it was a pressure up to my area of my heart,
Uh-huh.
and I feel release when I burp.
Okay.
I need to burp to feel the relief.
The relief, yeah.
And it was kind of hard and kind of scary because it was a pain around my heart.
How much pain from 0 to 10?
It was like 6 or 7, but it was like the feeling, I didn't like it, and I feel like, like short of breath.
Short of breath, okay,
Yeah.
the symptom short of breath,
And kind of,
pressure.
Sometimes disoriented or kind of anxious.
Yeah, because you did not have enough oxygen in your system, like breathing.
Right, and
Yeah.
then, sometimes I wanted to go and take my blood pressure, because I thought something was going on with my heart or something.
Okay.
And but then I just keep calm and just doing the burp
Try to force burping to release the pressure from your abdominal area. And how long you had this issue?
It's for a long time, back in like 7 years, but it was recurring, like
7 years.
It was gone, and then just suddenly comes and come back. And, that's like 7 years, I think.
7 years. And how many ASTR treatment you had for this? And
Just one.
Just one treatment. So what did you feel after one treatment?
I haven't felt that feeling anymore. Like
the pressure, it's gone.
The burp, no,
what
no
about the
gas,
breathing?
Because sometimes even like I don't know if inflammation around my abdomen or something. But now it's gone.
So we had one treatment in your abdominal area, and the symptoms that you used to have for 7 years, you don't have it now. Yeah.
I don't want to.
Yeah. That's.
Want it back.
All right. We don't want it back. Sure. So when did you have this treatment? How many weeks ago?
Maybe like 4 weeks ago.
4 weeks. 4 weeks. So you had one treatment. 4 weeks ago, you had that symptoms for 7 years prior to that, and one treatment, and now you did not have that symptoms for 4 weeks after one treatment. Yeah. So what do you think about ASTR treatment?
It's good.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
The first time I came to see Dr. Jacobs, I could hardly walk. I was in so much pain. And after the very first session, it was like night and day. I couldn't believe it. I mean, I was dumbfounded that he helped me so much in one setting. And I see him once a week now, and I can move around and do things that I couldn't do before. And it's fantastic. And I wish him all the luck in the world with this invention of his, because it really does work.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.